Introducing the Waco Insta-Grip No-Caulk Shower Drain, a no-caulk type shower drain for preformed shower bases. How is it different? It includes an integrated seal for easy, fast installation. It installs in less than 1 minute and doesn't require glue. The integrated seal means there are no cumbersome compression well seals to install. It includes a test cap for easy testing and a stainless steel locking ring that won't back off the PVC pipe during testing. This ensures an accurate test and prevents leaks. No test and roughened versions are also available. The drain includes a heavy-duty snap-on grid. The grid is 20% thicker than competitive grids to help prevent bowing and offers a tight fit. The Waco Insta-Grip shower drain includes features that make installation a breeze. The top piece includes screwdriver slots, and the bottom receptor nut includes easy grip insulation ribs to securely tighten the top piece into the bottom receptor nut. The drain also includes a protective cover that protects the grid finish and prevents debris from entering the drain during construction. The drain is molded in dark gray PVC to reduce the appearance of dirt or mildew, and it's available in 6 finishes. The Waco Insta-Grip No-Caulk Shower Drain includes an integrated seal for speedy installation. It's testable and easy to install. And like all Waco products, it's backed by a 5-year limited warranty.